Hi children, good morning. How are you children? Yes, you all are fine and safe. Yes, shall we start our FA2 revision? Yes, fourth science FA2 revision. The lessons. First of all, how many lessons are there? There are two lessons. The third one and the fifth one. Yes, take out your workbooks children. Science workbook, the page number 11. The page number 11. Yes. Multiple choice questions. What is the process of removal of wastes from the body known as? Options are given there children. Four options are there. Purification, digestion, excretion, disposal. Yes. And which one is correct? Yes. C. Excretion is correct. Yes, and name the part of the excretory system shown in the image. Shown in the image. And the four options are given. See the picture children here. You have to see the picture and answer. Yes, it's very easy. The four options are given. Lungs, stomach, kidneys, urinary bladder. Which one is correct? Kidneys. Yes. Fill in the blanks children. The organ system which removes the liquid waste from our body is called dash system, excretory system. The organ system which removes the liquid waste from our body is called excretory system. The dash is a pipe-like structure which opens outside the body. It's urethra. Yes. And very short answer question children. Which part of the excretory system looks like a bag? Which part of the excretory system looks like a bag? It is urinary bladder. It is urinary bladder. Yes. Which parts of the excretory system are bean shaped? Which part are in the bean shaped? Yes. What are these children? Yes. Kidneys. Answer is kidneys. Yes. Okay. And the seventh one children. Seventh one. Draw a diagram and label the parts of the human excretory system. Of the excretory system you have to draw. It's very easy children. See here. You should write like this. This C. And you have to draw like this. It's very easy. Yes. Okay. You have to draw and you have to label the parts. Learn this children. Drawing is very important in science. Yes. And next children, it is true or false. It is true or false. Yes. The eighth one, the urinary bladder stores urine. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. It is true. Yes. The ninth one, oxygen is thrown out as a waste by lungs. By lungs. What is that? It is true or false children? Yes, it is false. It is false. The 10th one, skin is the largest excretory organ of our body. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. It is true. Yes, the kidneys work like filters. The kidneys work like filters. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Okay. And the next one children, short answer question. Children, when you read the question, you please understand first. At once if you read, you are not able to answer that question, means again you read this question. Again that question you have to read. Then you can understand. When you can understand the question, you can write your answer very easily. Okay. And the 12th one, how does the skin function as an excretory organ? How does the skin function? Means how does it work? Yes. The liquid waste from our body, is thrown out in the form of sweat, through the skin, Yes, the sweat is made up of extra water and salts from our body. The liquid waste from our body, is thrown out in the form of sweat through the skin, Yes, this sweat is made up of extra water and salts from our body. Yes, understood children? Okay, the next one, 13th one. What happens to the waste collected from the blood by the kidneys? Kidneys send, answer children, kidneys send all the waste to the bladder. It will send to the bladder. The waste send all the waste to the bladder. Yes, through the ureters in the form of urine. In the form of urine. Okay children? Kidneys send all the waste to the bladder through the urethra in the form of urine. Yes, okay children? Kidneys send all the waste to the bladder through the ureter in the form of urine. In the form of ureter in the form of urine. Okay. Yes children, long answer question. Lungs help in excretion. Answer the following question to explain. Yes, A. What is the waste that lungs throw out of the body? Yes, tick the correct option. Option A, urine. B, salts. C, excess water. D, carbon dioxide. Yes, the answer is carbon dioxide. You have to put the tick mark there in the box. Yes, and the next one children. How do lungs excrete this water? During breathing, the lungs absorb oxygen from the air and throw out carbon dioxide. What happens during breathing? The lungs absorb the oxygen. Oxygen will go into our lungs, and then what is thrown out? The carbon dioxide is thrown out. Yes, and the next one children, multiple choice question. Which of the following may not be the sign of non-functioning of kidneys? Yes, and options are given there. Reddish eyes, color and smell of urine, tiredness, vomiting. Which one is correct there children? Yes, option A. Option A. Okay, and the next one children, what will happen if the excretory system does not work properly? Yes, the options are given there children, 4 options. A, urine formation will not be affected at all. Yes, the second one, the person will feel hungry. Liquid waste will pile up inside the body. C. And the D one, it will improve the functioning of other body parts. Yes, which one is correct there? Yes, the option C is correct. Okay children? Yes children, the next one is 17th one, short answer question. How can we take care of our skin? How can we take? Yes. How can we take care of our skin? Answer children, we should have a bath regularly. We should do bath regularly, and we should keep the skin cleaning. Means how? Using the soap and water. The soap and water we have to clean our skin, and we have to do regularly bath. Yes. And the next one children, 18th one, state 2 ways in which we can keep our lungs healthy. Lungs healthy. Yes. A, the first point, do breathing exercises. Do breathing exercises. We are doing this now. Breathe in, breathe out. That exercise you have to do. And the next one, second one children, protect ourselves from the dust and smoke by wearing a mask. You have to wear the mask when we go outside. When we go outside. Means protect ourselves from dust and smoke. How can we? By wearing the mask when we go outside. Yes. And the next one children, the long answer question. Answer the following question to tell what will happen if the kidneys do not function properly. Yes. What changes will we see in the urine? What happens? What changes we'll see in the urine? Yes, the color and smell of the urine may change. The color and the smell of the urine may change. And the second point children, B. Yes, what can happen to us? What can happen to us? Means we may start vomiting. We may start vomiting. We may feel tired. We may feel tired. Yes. What changes will we see in our body? What changes will we see in our body? Excess water in the body may lead to swelling. Swelling. Yes? Yeah. And the next one, children, the 20th question. We can prevent the formation of kidney stones. Solve the following crossword to know how. Yes, you have to see this, children. Kidney stones are formed here. This one. By reading these questions, you can solve this. Yes. Okay, children. Yes, our next lesson, children. Fifth lesson, keeping our neighborhood clean. It's very easy lesson. Yes, the multiple choice questions, children. Which of the following waste decays under the soil? Under the soil. Yes, the four options are given. Glass pieces, plastic bottles, leftover food, plastic bags. Which one is correct in this, children? Option C, leftover food. Yes, the second one, children. Which of the following is an example of a gaseous waste? Options are given there for rotten fruits, paper cups, wastewater from factory, smoke from vehicles. Which one is correct? Option D. Option D. Smoke from vehicles. And fill in the blanks, children. Third one. Things which are no longer useful to us are called dash. Waste. It is waste. The answer is waste. Fourth one, children. The dash of waste happens with the help of air, water and tiny organisms. Is decay. Is decay. Okay, children? Yes. The very short answer question, children. Give any one example of the wet waste. For example, it is given the vegetable and fruit peels. Yes, and give any one example of the dry waste, paper or plastic bottles. You can write on your own. Yes, the short answer question, children. The seventh question. What kind of waste is found in villages? In villages, what kind of waste is found? Waste from villages includes the waste from fields and farms. Fields and farms. They can be animal waste. They can be animal waste, stalks of the cut crops, dry leaves and so on. Yes, animal waste, what it is? It is cow dung. Yes, the waste from the villages includes the waste from the fields and farms. Yes, they can be animal waste, stalks of the cut crops and dry leaves and so on. Yes, okay, children? Yes, children, you have to write very short answer questions and short answer questions in the which book? Yes, in the homework book. Write there FA to revision. Put the date. Put the date here. FA to revision. Yes, and the lesson. From the lesson 3rd and 5th you have to write. Don't write simply. Yes, copy the question, close the book and write the answer. Yes, you have to do the revision in this way. Okay.